Do you want to drive new viewers to existing content on YouTube? Now you can by taking the clips you created from your long form videos and converting them into YouTube Shorts using the Shorts camera app. In this video, I'll show you how to create a 5 to 60 second short from a saved video clip and how you can use this feature to share it on social media sites. Clips allow you to share a small portion of your long form video with others by clipping it. They can be accessed by anyone watching the video clip URL and also watch the underlying video. Watch this video to learn how to make clips and share them to get more views. Tap on the YouTube app, make sure you're logged into YouTube channel, tap library, tap your clips. These are all the clips that belong to YouTube channel. Keep in mind you can create clips from your own videos or someone else's videos, but the underlying video will be attributed back to the original creator. Tap on a clip. I'm going to tap on Earn Revenue from YouTube. You can select a 5 to 60 second segment from your video clip. Place your finger on the timeline to drag to adjust the video. You can also tap on the video to center yourself on the frame. To select the segment, you can drag the handles from left to right or from right to left. I'm going to select a 12-second clip from the beginning of the video. I can add text to my video and tap done. I can choose where I want to add the text to the timeline, then tap done. And I can tap filters to select any filter for my video. If I want to record a clip or add something from my gallery, tap back button. Now I can record a clip. So I'm going to change this from 15 to 60 seconds. Keep in mind YouTube Short has to be 60 seconds or less, and it can add multiple clips to it and save multiple drafts. I tap the red button to record a clip. Here's how to, I made a mistake. So I'm just going to tap the undo icon and record it again. So I tap the red button. Here's how to earn revenue from YouTube. Okay, I've recorded the clip. Then I can choose from any of these options on the right to enhance the video clip. When I'm happy with it, I just tap the check mark. Then I can tap the back button again. I can select the video clip from my gallery. So I tap the gallery, tap this clip. I can adjust the clip. So it's like 2 seconds. Then tap done. I can record another clip if I want. I'm happy with the Shorts videos, so I'm going to tap the check mark. And here's the first clip. Here's the clip I recorded. And here's the clip from my phone gallery. So I'm going to tap next. I can add a title, How to Earn Revenue from YouTube. Tap visibility. So I can choose public if I want a video to go public. Choose unlisted if I want anyone with a link to view it. And private, only people you can choose to view. I can also schedule it for a later time. But for right now, I'm going to choose unlisted and publish it later. Tap the back button and then choose no, it's not made for kids. And under comments, you can allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. I'm going to choose that one. Tap the back button. Now I've completed my Shorts video, so I'm going to tap upload short. It says uploading to your videos, see video. I can also tap share clip or watch full video. Tap see video. Now I'm going to tap on my Shorts video. And here's the first clip. Here's the clip I recorded, and here's the clip from my phone gallery. This feature is currently available on all iOS devices. Viewers can like the video, dislike the video, add a comment, share it. You can also add a description or use sound. You can see I've got the title on my video. It's got created from Drost Video. So anybody watching the Shorts video can just tap on created from Drost Video, and it'll take them to the long form video to watch the whole thing. If they tap on Drost Video, then I'll show all the Shorts videos from my channel. Tap the YouTube app, make sure you're logged into YouTube channel, tap library, tap your clips, select the clip that you wish to share with your audience on YouTube or on social media. I'm going to select this clip, Earn Revenue from YouTube. I can tap share clip or watch full video. Tap share clip. I can copy the link, share it on Twitter, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, in my Gmail, or I can email it to my list. If I tap copy the link, I can paste it in my email. Here's the link to my video clip. Keep in mind you can view the analytics for all your Shorts videos by clicking on the Content tab in the YouTube Studio. Then click on Shorts. So I can look at views, likes, subscribers, top shorts, how viewers are finding my shorts, external sites or apps, YouTube search terms, etc. Where do Shorts appear? Viewers can find Shorts by tapping on the Shorts icon at the bottom of the YouTube app. They can also find Shorts on the YouTube homepage, in their notifications, checking their subscriptions, featured on your channel homepage if you've created a short section. Once a viewer taps into a short, they can scroll to watch more shorts videos. Who can see the clips I created? Clips are public and can be watched by anyone that has access to the clip URL. They can also watch the underlying video made by the original creator. Creators who own the underlying clips can see the clips via search, discovery, and analytics. How do you stop allowing viewers to clip your content? Click on your profile icon, click YouTube Studio, click Settings, click Channel, click Advanced Settings, scroll down. On the clips it says, allow viewers to share 5 to 60 seconds of your content to their friends or on social media. If you want to allow viewers to clip your content, check the box. If you don't allow viewers to clip your content, uncheck the box and click Save. When should you create shorts from clips? If you want to share a favorite or popular part of your long form video, make a clip out of it and share it as a short. Just keep in mind you can add additional clips to your shorts by recording a clip from your Shorts camera app or uploading a video clip from your phone gallery. Who can make clips into shorts? Only you can make shorts from clips of your own content. Other creators are unable to. If you create a clip from other people's content, it'll be attributed to the original creator. Why are the clips I created no longer available? If the original video is deleted or set to private, then the original video of that clip will no longer be available. If the video is set to unlisted, clips of that video will be available. What if you want to make a YouTube short from a long form video without creating a clip? Can it be done? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to make a YouTube short from an existing long form video using a YouTube mobile app.